AI is changing the game. Imagine making money while leveraging the power of artificial intelligence from tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or MidJourney. Sounds exciting, right? AI tools like ChatGPT can help you offer writing, editing, and customer service solutions. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you can use ChatGPT to help clients create blog posts, product descriptions, and social media content faster than ever before. By automating repetitive tasks, you save time and boost productivity, offering clients a quick turnaround at lower costs. Next, let's talk about AI-powered design. With DALL-E, you can create stunning visuals from simple text prompts. Whether it's designing logos, creating social media graphics, or even custom illustrations, the possibilities are endless. You can sell these AI-generated designs on marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble, or use them to enhance your portfolio and attract more clients. Want to start a business? AI can help with that too. With MidJourney's creative features, you can design entire branding packages, create personalized content, and even assist in developing unique marketing strategies. Using AI as your business partner, you'll be able to create innovative products and services that stand out in today's competitive market. Another huge opportunity is using AI to automate your social media marketing. Tools like ChatGPT can help you generate engaging captions, schedule posts, and even interact with customers through AI chatbots. With AI handling the time-consuming parts, you can focus on building your brand and engaging with your audience, while still having a strong social media presence. AI is also revolutionizing e-commerce. From writing product descriptions to creating ad campaigns, AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E can help you set up an online store faster and more efficiently. Using AI to optimize your store can help improve sales and conversion rates, giving you a competitive edge in the fast-growing world of online retail. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights and strategies.